What's going on, everyone? MikeO back, doing another box break. Today I'll be breaking one hobby box of 2021 Topps Allen & Ginter Chrome Edition. Super fun product, beautiful looking product. The base cards are gorgeous. The refractors and color parallels look incredible. I personally love the minis as well. And this is a product that just honestly got completely lost in the shuffle. So, like many products, due to the pandemic and supply chain issues, this was pushed back, delayed multiple times. It ended up not coming out until December 2021, right around Christmas time, where baseball is out of sight, out of mind. Football is in focus. Of course, basketball is in focus as well. And people are anticipating 2022 products. So the price has actually stayed very reasonable on this, specifically comparing to other products and massively produced products. You look at 2022 Topps, which I really like, but the print run is definitely very high and prices have just done nothing but increase. Meanwhile, you can get a box of this at $130, $140, $150 tops. There's definitely deals to be had on it, and the print run, pretty low, something people aren't necessarily paying attention to. And of course, long term, it's going to just depend on what players are in it. Certainly, Ginter has your Hall of Fame players and your modern day stars, but also some rookies, and we'll see what happens with the rookie class. There are some talented players, some guys who actually had solid years and can really build on them. Dylan Carlson really hasn't gotten a lot of buzz in the hobby. Ryan Mountcastle, and many others with a ton of talent. But you look at it, and the print run on these cards is 6,000 to 7,000. Just such a small number in comparison to these massively produced products like Topps Flagship. I mean, refractors, print run is probably around 800, minis around 1,000. And the print run for the 2020 product is probably about half. They probably made about double in 2021, and I'm sure it'll continue. 2022 will most likely at least go up 1.5 times, if not 2 times again. But it's a fun product, and you know what? It's always a gamble to rip stuff. You can get some crazy great stuff. You could also get smoked, and we'll see what I do in this. But here's a look at the box. 18 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. So, should be a fun rip. Autographs are tough in the product. They are, I believe, 1 per case, if I remember right. So, the odds of getting one of them, not great. They also have X-fractors that are 1 per case. Superfractors are quite difficult. I have not gotten any superfractors this year, and I've opened a decent amount. But let's get our 18 packs out. Alright, empty old box now. Put that to the side. 18 packs. Drop down the camera angle. 4 cards per pack. And of course, something to look at with Allen & Ginter is some of the celebrities, and the celebrities from this year don't look huge, but people have said that in the past, and eventually some of those Ginter celebrity cards are surprisingly and at times shockingly expensive. There's a look at the parallels. 1 in 3 for refractors, X-fractors, 1 in 217, blue, green, gold, orange superfractors. So we'll see what we get. But breaking the box. There's a Dylan Carlson rookie on the back. Mickey Moniak has actually had a solid spring for the Phillies. So we'll see what his future holds. Didi Gregorius, so a little Phillies action in this pack. A mini Jesus Luzardo. And a Dylan Carlson rookie. Nice looking card there. All right, pack number 2. Tanner Houck. Campusano. Mini of Matrella, and a Mike Trout base. Bo Bichette. Mike Piazza. And this is actually a card that has risen in price. The world's largest set. So they have some of the different sets. And, of course, this was destroyed over with what's going on over in overseas. So that's actually a little bit of a hit. I'm not sure. I know they were spiking at one point. I don't know what they're currently going for, but there is hidden value that most wouldn't expect. Andrew McCutcheon, Refractor of Arihara, Randy Johnson, mini. For some reason that was backwards. Brickley, Rodriguez. We got a green, and it is Jazz. So another rookie. Guy who has a ton of talent, ton of ability, and we'll see. Greens are numbered to 99. We'll see how he develops long term. Victor Gonzalez mini. Sweet Ernie Banks. I mean, the Hall of Famers in a set. It's gorgeous cards. It's fun. Even if you don't build a full set, you can build like Hall of Fame sets and stuff. Austin Hayes. Refractor of Jorge Soler, World Series MVP. It's an Andrew Vaughn in the throwback mini insert. David Wright. Ricky Henderson. Hewer. George Springer. Jack Flaherty. Dalton Varsho, Willie Mays. Oh, that's a good orange. Derek Jeter. Derek Jeter, mini orange, numbered to 25. So that is it's a pretty solid box. Because the Jeter, the Jazz. Of course, a lot of the rookies are going to be overshadowed by this year's Wander Franco rush, but still a chance for some of these guys. Hanson, one of the Hanson brothers, refractor. Another mini Luzardo. Got two of them in this box. But there's definitely talent. And, some of them will make it. Some of them may not. But it's fun to follow. Here's a blue Lorenzo Cain. Really good player. Absolutely no hobby love. But he's had a nice career. Joey Bart. Luis Patino. Alec Boehm, still potential there as well. We'll see if it happens in Philadelphia or not. Looks like we got a gold refractor coming up next. Ty Cobb. That's pretty cool. 20 of 50, Ty Cobb. So definitely did solid with the color in this box. Merkel. Zach Wheeler. Blake Snell. Marcus Semien. Nolan Ryan mini. David Price. One of the few that's definitely has some scuff marks on that one. Thankfully, though, it's David Price, who definitely doesn't get any hobby love. Charlie Blackmon, refractor of Joey Votto. Pulled Joey Votto in, basically anything I ever open. I'm sure some of my longtime subscribers, those who are back, will be laughing about that one. There's a beautiful Steve Carlton mini. Beautiful Ken Griffey Jr. base. Lavelle. Huff. Mini Will Smith. Liam Hendricks. Couple packs left. That's odd. Green up top. Very, very strange. Anyway, green Nate Pearson, numbered to 99. Joe Morgan refractor. Dylan Carlson, throwback mini. Jose Canseco. Fernando Tatis Jr. Whit Merrifield. World's largest. Alejandro Kirk. All right, final two. We'll see if we get anything. I think we hit our allotment of color for sure, so wouldn't expect anything else. You always hope for the superfractor or the X-fractor or an auto, but probably not to be. Waddle, Buster Posey refractor, European Commission world leader, Laureano, and final pack wrapping up the box. Gary Sanchez, formerly of the Yankees, Pedro Martinez, Brim Mini, and Clark Schmidt. So overall fun break. Here's a stack of base, collection of minis, which the minis, I love the minis. Just get yourself some of the mini soft sleeves and top loaders, or the mini inserts that fit into regular top loaders, whatever you desire. Got that. Some refractors. Color green Pearson. A blue Canes. I actually feel like I got a little more color than you usually get. And the biggest of hits. Gold Ty Cobb, which definitely has some value there. An orange Derek Jeter. And a green Jazz Chisholm. All right, everyone. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you enjoy the hobby. Collect what you like. And just have fun